Hello friends, in today's video we are going to review Flexclip, an ultimate online video maker. With constant rise of social media usage, video has become a prominent tool for businesses and creators to market and engage with their audience through visual storytelling. However, editing videos on advanced platform can often feel overwhelming, especially when you lack expertise. Luckily, Flexclip provides an easy to use online video editing solution with a wide range of functionalities, making it convenient for newbies, creator, and marketing professionals. This unbiased Flexclip review will provide valuable information regarding my experience on the platform, help to better understand the tool and determine its effectiveness as comprehensive video editing solution for your needs. In order to access Flexclip, please click on the link given in the description below. And once you click on that link, then you'll land on this website, flexclip.com, which says flexible editing stunning clips. This is one of the best video editing software, online video editing software, which has a lot of features in the software alone. This software comes with 6,000 plus pre-made templates, which has various categories such as business, store, intro, community, sports, wedding, slideshow, marketing, and much more. It has various video creation tools such as AI video generator, text to speech video, AI script generator, AI background remover, AI auto subtitle translation. The platform has 4 million plus videos and photos, 74,000 sounds effects, 1,000 plus text presets, 3 million plus dynamic elements, 700 plus filter and effective, 200 plus transition, and it is an AI powerful video generator tool. Let's talk about the features and what are the options available in this platform. As you can see, all in your complete video solution. So it has trim cut video option, add text, add music, reverse video, freeze, chroma key, video effects, record screen, you can record your screen, speed curve, GIF maker, background removal. It has been trusted by millions of people, and let's just see how the features of this tool works. The Flexclip has powerful AI softwares such as AI text video generator. With the prompt, you can generate a video using article or an URL. Image generator, AI auto subtitle, and one of the best features is that AI audio noise reducer. It helps to remove background noise from any audio with this software. AI video script, AI text to speech, AI background remover, AI vocal remover, blog to video. You can turn any blog into the video. And if you have a channel in multiple languages, you can use this tool to translate your video into a different language. For example, you can translate your videos from English to Japanese, English to German using this amazing tools. If we talk about the tools, it has various tools such as video compressor, video converter, video trimmer, video merger, frame video, reverse, video effect, screen recorder, chroma key, freeze, and all that features. See, these are the video feature, these are the text feature, audio to text, video to text, add text to GIF, add subtitles to audio, text animation, add text to video, and then these are the audio software such as audio editor, audio flutter, audio converter, audio joiner, add music video, ringtone maker, and these are the image tools such as slideshow maker, meme generator, GIF maker, transparent image maker, photo frame, and YouTube thumbnail maker. Flexclip editor, that how does it really works, what are the features, how the features work, or is it compatible with Canva or not. So here you can see they have a lot of popular pre-templates which you can use, or you can use these some adding medias. Like if you do not have a media, you can import any media and you can generate even image for any video. Let's see some example. A magical cat flying through the sky. We have just put in prompt, and then you can see here you have to give the ratio. So we'll select the ratio and then we'll click on generate. So it starts generating an image. So it has created two images. So you can use it here. It is an AI image, right? Or you can use it like this one. See, this is how it looks like. Now we'll see how its video editor works, and we'll go into the interface of video editor and all that. Talking about the dashboard, the platform's dashboard is clean and well categorized for easy access to the main feature. It has sidebar on the left side of the window, which consists of all the options like sharing, new project, template, collections, stock videos, cloud storage, fonts, and an option to create new team to get started. This you can see as here. On the right side of the window, you can find all the recent project you are working on. However, to kickstart your first project, click on the create video. So there are a lot of options like AI video generator, AI subtitle, AI text, AI translator, AI video script, record voice. You can record your voice, and there is one option record screen or window. Now we have opened the editing window of Flexclip. As you can see, here are various options. I found Flexclip editing video very clean. Like its dashboard, the editing window has sidebar on the left filled with the video essential like templates, media, subtitles, stocks, image, etc. You can find all the key elements to add your project here. To the right side, you can import files from your local drive, cloud platforms such as Google Drive, Google Photo, OneDrive, or Dropbox, or a nearby mobile drive. Right. You will also find the main preview section to the right of the tools above this section. There are various options for adjusting your original media files. These options includes rotating or flipping the file, applying filters, enhancing colors, manipulating speed, and more. Like any other video editing platform, the timeline can be found at the bottom of the window. You can easily drag and drop any media files into the timeline and get started with editing process. Now let's talk about key features that it has. So it has, number one, it has trim, merge, and transition section where you can cut off unnecessary bits in the make your video clean. Then there are handful templates options are there in this left section. Then you have the fun text tool. Here, if once you click on this text tools, it has a lot of options, lot of designs and presets you can use in your video. Thereafter, there is media library. Here you can see stock images, you can have photos and much more. You can even generate images using AI, which can cost you some credits. It is like Canva, that lot of photos. Then they have interesting features such as elements, overlay, backgrounds, and much more. Using the adjustment, you can just adjust the image by using the tools. You can adjust it by using the various sections such as exposure, contrast, brightness, and much more. And then there is option of speed, that if you want to speed up your video or you want to slow it down. Then there is one option, green screen. Share a video in green screen, then you can also remove that background as well. Once you click on the tool on the left side, then you will see various tools are available which can be used, such as AI generator, text speech translation, audio video generator, recording tools, record voice, record screen. Then you can have branding tools and much more. Now let's try AI text to speech. So you can put any text or your script here and then generate speech video using this tool. Then AI translation is you have to translate the project text, upload audio or audio to audio. There is 3-4 options are there. AI image generator, you can generate any image. AI video scripts. So AI video scripts, you have to put your scripts here, like generate a trending Instagram news post about releasing discount code for Christmas. So let's click on it and generate a video, and this is the script. Now as you can see, Instagram video news Christmas discount. So it has generated a script. So that what you have to do: scene 1, festival intro. Hey Instagram fan, the holiday season is here. Then there's scripts are written step by step. Then they have AI video generator. So you can generate AI video using two options. One, you can use any prompt like generate a holiday sale video for flying shop. And there is second option, you can generate using any article or URL, or you can paste your script here. We will paste our script here and then we'll generate a video. Let's see how it works. As you can see, I paste my script here. I like article. I'll say this is an article for 5 ways to monetize your blog. Post it, then you can click on generate and it will analyze your content and then generate a video. Let's wait for this. Since it's a very small video, within seconds it has generated a video. As you can see the scenes here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and now our video is almost ready. Once you will have this, then you have option English. You can change the voice of, you can use voice of any male, female or whatever you want to. We'll just use this only and then we'll click on it, and then you have option to add to the timeline. As you can see, now our video has been created and it has come into this timeline. Now you can edit everything you want to, like if you want to change the media, you can change the media. Here you have the options to change media, right? You can change it by using media stocks, or you can use even your own stock images and videos. Then we have option to, if you want to create this video in this text, in this format, then it will create like this. If you want in it in this format, it will be created in this format. So for YouTube videos, the format is like this. So let's just download the video. We can save it, or we can also see a full preview of this video. This is how it has created a video.
With affiliate program and promote products or services relevant to your niche. Earn a commission when your readers make a purchase through your.
So we have not applied anything. It has used everything automatically. Now we can export this video in the ratio. We can export in 4K. We can export it in 1080. Slow, let's export it. Flexclip allows user to export their project either as a video or a GIF, with option to customize the file size for the latter. While video exporting is 480 pixels, 720 pixels, 180 pixels and 4K pixel sufficient for the businesses and social media need export. For instance, a 24-second video in 180 pixel approximately 10 minutes to export. Flexclip has three pricing plan: one free, plus and business plan. Free plus, in the free plan you can use up to one stock image, one video per project, free AI codes and maximum 12 projects limit, and video length of 10 minutes. In the plus plan it costs you $9.99, which is around $199 yearly, and then the business plan costs you $19.99 per month, which is $239 yearly, and it has a lot of option. It has a lot of features you get with the Flexclip. You have unlimited number of things you can do it, and then there is some team plan also. If you want to have a 3 team plan, 5 team plan, then you can create a custom plan for your needs. During my Flexclip review, I had to contact their support team to address issue I encountered using the platform. Initially, I was impressed with their prompt reply and clear and understandable solution they provide. They were able to resolve all my queries. They have a very good online support system where if you encounter in any problem, you can contact their support system. I hope this Flexclip review was helpful to you. If you have any question, let me know into the comment section of this video.